Great little find here. This is a 2006 Chevrolet Malibu 2LT V6 front wheel drive package. This is a one-owner car. Host of service records, no accidents, solid, clean, perfect Carfax. Nice newer set of Cooper tires on it. Got a lot of options in it. Power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD player, onboard computer. This vehicle also has a leather wrapped steering wheel with steering wheel controls. It's never been smoked in. No lights on the dash, clean, solid, straight. New car dealer trade. This car's going to qualify for 3 months, 4,500 mile service contract on